Hello, ninth graders. Today, you are going to listen to a story. The story is called The Three Little Pigs. You probably already know this story. When we're finished listening to the story, you are going to be writing a summary of the story, and I will show you how. First, let's listen to the story.
Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs, and the time came for them to seek their fortunes and build their houses. The first little pig built himself a house of straw. The middle brother decided to build a house of sticks. It wasn't either a very strong house, but the third pig, the oldest, decided to build a house of bricks. He did not mind hard work because he wanted a strong house. Because he knew that in the woods nearby there was a wolf who liked to catch little pigs and eat them up. When the three houses were finished, the three little pigs were happy dancing and singing, "Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf? Who is scared of Furious Wolf?" Just as the first little pig reached his door, out of the woods popped up a big, bad wolf. The little pig squealed with fright and slammed the door. Little pig, let me come in," cried the wolf. "Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin," said the little pig. "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in," roared the wolf. He blew the little straw house. Away raced the little pig to his brother's house of sticks. The wolf was really angry, so went behind the youngest pig, the house of sticks, where the pigs were singing, "Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf? Who is scared of Furious Wolf?" Suddenly, the wolf roared, "Open the door, let me come in." "No, we won't," said the pigs. "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow down your house," roared the wolf, and blew down the little house of sticks. The two little pigs raced away to his big brother's house of bricks and started to sing, "Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf? Who is scared of Furious Wolf?" This made the big wolf perfectly furious. "Open the door, little pigs, let me come in." "No, we won't." "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow down your house." But he couldn't blow down the little house of bricks. He decided to climb and get in through the chimney. So he climbed, jumped down, and fell right into a kettle of boiling water. He sprang straight up the chimney again and raced away into the woods. The three little pigs never saw him again and spent their time in the strong brick house, dancing and singing, "Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf? Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf?" The end.
Okay, so that is the story called The Three Little Pigs. Today, what you're going to be doing is you are going to be writing a summary of this story. So to do that, you will need to go to our class and you will need to click on the folder for Friday. When you get to the folder for Friday, there will be an assignment. It looks like this. It says, write a book summary for The Three Little Pigs. Use a capital letter, like this, at the beginning of a sentence, and a period at the end, like this. Here are some sentence starters for you and an example. So you will write 5 sentences. This is how you will start your sentence. This story is about. For this part, I like to say this story is about the characters. Who are those characters? First, tell what happens first in the story. Next, tell what happens next. Then, tell what happens then. And finally, How does it end? How does it end? One important thing that you need to talk about when you write is you need to write about the problem. So tell about the problem in this story. I am going to read an example I wrote from the story A Bad Case of Stripes that we read last week. So it says, first, it says, this story is about a girl named Camilla Cream. Camilla Cream is the character. First, she didn't want to go to school because she was nervous and had stripes all over her. That was the problem. Next, she went to school and everyone made fun of her. Then the doctor came and he couldn't even help her. Finally, she ate some lima beans and felt like herself again and didn't care what other people thought of her. Now it is your turn. The name of the book that you read is called The Three Little Pigs. I guess it really wasn't a book, it was a short movie. The author name, I don't know that. On these lines, you will write about the three little pigs using the sentence starters that I gave you. When you are finished with this, you will submit it to Schoology. This is worth 4 points. If you have a question about the story, watch it again. If you have a question for me, be sure to come to my Google Meet. I hope you all have a great weekend. Bye!